Hi, welcome back to JoJo's channel. As an AI YouTuber focused specifically in face swapping and digital avatars, my AI Yourself series is already on its 5th episode. This is the most impressive AI tool yet, because it can solve all the problems before with just one cell phone app. I still get daily questions about my AI Yourself series. Problems like, don't know where to upload, can't open Google Collab, group crashed, face swapped, video won't come out. No worries, this episode will solve all your problems. Moreover, this app is totally free to use. Whether it's face swapping pictures or videos, it also has a series of other great tools all consolidated into one mobile app. Make sure to watch until the end. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started now. First, search Hayo app on your phone. It can also do both picture and video face swaps. Its ratings almost perfect. Why? Unlike Reface, which charges you $5.99 per week and need to upload 6 selfies, Hayo is free, only need 1 selfie and has a very short wait time. Less than 3 minutes for video face swap and less than 1 minute to generate an AI selfie. The results are really good. After downloading and registering, first you have to go to the bottom and find its magic pen icon. You can swipe back and forth at the top. Swipe to AI video swap. Let's do video face swap first. Why do video face swap? Because video face swapping takes up more points. You get about 50 free points to use each day, reloads every day. First, you need to select a selfie. Make sure it's a front-facing one, where your facial features are clearly visible. For the upload section above, choose a video. You can check on my notes in the description. I've already provided many templates for everyone. The upload will take a few seconds, and then you'll see below that you can generate. Click on generate and wait. Within 3 minutes, you will have your video. Leave a comment what you think. Once the video is ready, click on it, and after enlarging it, you will see a download option above. Click on this download, and it will be downloaded to your own phone. Now you can share it. Hayo gives you 50 credits every day. A 1-second video will consume 3 credits. The 15-second video will consume 45 credits. So what can you do with the remaining 5 credits? You can use them for face swapping in images. There's an AI face swap option on the home page. Swipe back and click on it, then select image. There are many templates you can choose from. My favorite is this ID photo, which is your ID photo. Just click on it once, then upload a selfie of your own. Click on Draw. It will use up your 5 credits, so you can make 10 free face swaps each day if you don't make videos. Every time you click on it, it will display a slightly different image, and this template has both male and female. Let's show everyone the effect now. Just a reminder, this app can be quite addictive. You might find yourself coming back every day, creating a video and a few pictures. The advantage of a mobile app for face swapping is that whenever you think of it, you can AI your face instantly. Now, you might wonder, where can I find the images I've generated? Once you're in this mobile app, click on your avatar at the bottom right corner. All the images you've generated are saved here. But if you've created videos, don't look for them here. Go back to the magic pen, click on AI video swap. Then at the bottom right corner, you'll see My AI Video. Click on it. You'll be able to see all the videos you've generated. And if you want to view them again, these videos, it's right here. Then open it. The Hayo app actually has a lot of fun tools. I usually go back to the home page, which is clicking these 3 dots at the bottom left corner, then click on All to see which tool is the most popular. As you scroll down, you'll see Virtual Girlfriend, which is an AI girlfriend. Its popularity is quite impressive, with over 59,000 users having tried it. I have asked her some questions before. Her responses are not overboard, but you will want to keep chatting with her. Moreover, you can chat with her using voice. I click on this microphone icon below. It's been so cold recently. Can you recommend a spicy hot pot place? I want it to be spicy to the extent that it makes chrysanthemums bloom. Send. Dear, I totally understand your pursuit of spiciness. Come on, let me recommend a delicious spicy hot pot restaurant. Chungking Yuanmen hot pot. The spicy hot pot there is definitely the kind that gets you addicted. It is super authentic. There's also realistic portrait, which is realistic drawing. Once you open it, you'll see it has a hotness level of 250,000, so the traffic is really good. There are many templates for drawing. Just click on any, like this sunshine girl. Then click on try yourself. It even gives you all these prompt words. If you can't find good prompt, you can select a photo here to see prompt, then click on draw. Over here, you see it uses SDXL. If you don't like this checkpoint, you can choose others. There are many different templates below. So with the Hayo app, if you want to generate images with stable diffusion, you can create images directly on your phone for free. You see the eyes are a bit skewed. After you click on your generated image, you can find images generated by others. If you feel that your generated image isn't good, you can just click on images generated by others and use these. There's also a tarot card section. Just click on it. I asked if it's a good year to relocate. Send. After I gave it my birth date, it drew 3 cards for me. This is quite accurate. It mentioned that in the past days, there were indeed some travels to explore other places to relocate. The 3rd card is quite powerful, signifying a major change and turning point if we move to Malaysia. Although it didn't provide a clear answer, I find it quite fun. Everyone can use it for fortune telling during uncertain times. It can also generate PPTs. I only gave it 4 words, Sabatourism, and it outlined the content for me. Then for each point, it provided me with 3 important subpoints. If an idea suddenly came up, this is absolutely necessary. There's also an AI doctor. I told it my stomach hurts, possibly because I ate a half-cooked egg, and it gave me advice. It might be a salmonella infection. It still recommended to see a doctor, but it answered some of my questions like, will I die? It said, under normal circumstances, it won't be life-threatening, but you should be cautious. Make sure to cook the eggs thoroughly, otherwise it could lead to diarrhea and vomiting. So I asked, has anyone died from food poisoning due to half-cooked eggs? It said, yes. So if there's any discomfort or any doubts, please consult a doctor promptly. Another very practical feature is Chinese-English translation. I asked it directly, Shamen Shijun, and there's a little speaker icon to tell you how to pronounce it. Salmonella molandise Morandi color. So that's what it is. I had no idea. There are also some fun ones, like testing the trolling and seeing how to argue with AI. I told it, ChatGPT is amazing. It responded, oh, are you talking about me? I don't think so. How amazing is ChatGPT? It's just a machine learning algorithm. The things it produces can't compare to human wisdom and creativity. You're too easily fooled by technology. You should focus more on real human capabilities. Then I asked, who do you think is the most awesome? Because the so-called awesomeness varies in different fields and from different perspectives. If you ask in the field of science, Einstein and Hawking might be the most outstanding. If you ask in the field of music, Beethoven and Mozart might be the most outstanding. If you ask in the field of sports, Jordan and Phelps might be the most outstanding. So there isn't a clear answer to who is the most outstanding, because everyone's level of excellence varies, alright? As for the Hayo app, once you get used to it, you really will come back to use it every day. Like me, I can't do without it now. If you want to search for an AI tool, there's a magnifying glass here for you to search. You can also see its popularity level. Below here, there's also an AI news section. Today's headline is, a Japanese beverage company has now fully generated advertisements using AI, no real people required. Now, since my phone system is set to English, it's in English now, but if I switch it back to Chinese, all the news here will be in Chinese. The Hayo app is also one I frequently use. It's an AI-related mobile app. Introducing it to everyone. If you all think the sharing is good, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. The Chinese version of Hayo AI is actually very similar to Hayo app here.
Hey, it's me.